Good morning still. Hey, I want to make sure you understand how to do this. So some of your files are still RGB, so are your colors. So opening this up, all right, we'll just go here so it's cleaner. You got two colors in here that are still RGB. So what you do to change this, click on RGB. Okay, we're going to make sure it's process, but color mode goes to CMYK. And you'll see that the value names here will change to CMYK instead of RGB. CMYK, color mode is fine, hit OK. The little icon turned from RGB to CMYK. Same thing on this one, double click it. Come on, double click, process, CMYK, hit OK. Your colors are now print ready, all right? Now the swatches panel, if it's not open, you can go to window, to color, to swatches to open it. The other thing are your links. So you've got your two links in here. Let's go to our link panel. And if I click on Tom's Red, it's telling me that it's an RGB file. My PPI is good, but the RGB is, again, not CMYK, not print ready. So I'm going to just click on this, do a right click, and edit with Photoshop. There we go. It'll open up. We can see that's an RGB file for print. You need CMYK. Go to Image, Mode, CMYK. Let the defaults hit fine here. Now we're going to CMYK file. I'm just going to hit save. Okay, closing this thing, and it should automatically, okay, save it. It's not going to just save, is it? Nope, it's going to make me go through the process. So here's your links, but what am I going to do? I'm going to just save it as a copy. Let me do this. Okay, K-Grollo links. All right, save a copy. K-Grollo, okay, it's going right in there. This one's going to be, I'll just make this a JPEG. And fine, I'll leave it as a copy. That's all right. Save. If you want to make it a PNG again, you can. What in the world is going on here? Well, bugger, for some reason. I've never seen that happen. Save a document in a different file or duplicate a Finder. All right, we are just going to try this again. Let's do a export as. See if I can do it here. Here's your PNG. Scale, we're fine. We'll, the default's deport it or export it. I can't talk today. Okay, downloads. K-Grollo, HIJ, links, Tom's Red Ping. We'll save it and hopefully replace it. Hooray. Export. I thought we did this already. Downloads. HIJK. Links. Tom's Red. Save. Replace. Man, it is a day. I tell you what. Let's do it as a JPEG, see if this will work. What is going on here? Export. And downloads. HIJ, K-Grollo, links, Tom's Red JPEG. Unbelievable. I've never had this problem before. Okay, export it again. Tom's Red, I'll put it on my desktop. Fine, Tom's Red on my desktop. Okay, we'll see what happens then. All right, closing this up. Okay, in here, now I've got an exclamation mark here saying something's wrong here. You should be able to go ahead and update link. It's not going to work because we have some kind of error going on. But because I saved it somewhere else, we'll go and click on relink it. And oh good Lord, where'd I put it? Downloads or desktop? QRS, Tom's Red. That's not what I did earlier. I think I tried this earlier and I had problems, so I just kept going. Let's try it here. I think it was here. QRS, Tom's Red JPEG. Open. Okay. And now I've got a, okay, because it's got a background on it. It's a JPEG, it's gonna have a white background, that's not gonna work. We gotta go back to it and we'll save it as a PSD file so it will stay this way and no color. So let's do a file, save as. Holy smokes. Okay, Tom's Red PSD. Save it. Oh my gosh. File, save as. Tom's Red. We'll try it again to desktop. Tom's Red here. You know, some days when you wake up, nothing goes right. This is one of those days. Let's relink this again to Tom's Red desktop. PSD file. Thank goodness. All right, now I click on it and my red file is CMYK. Hooray. So for Untitled PNG, this is Tom's logo. Again, you're gonna have to go in here and do a right click. Go to, wow, what in the world? This is embedded. Embed it so I can actually go to it. Embed link to the original files. Yes. Right click. What in the world? Okay, this time we're going to go directly to your folder and do it. And my apologies, this is taking a whole lot longer than it should. Downloads, Grollo, links. Okay, it is embedded. It is not going to show up here. And it won't let me embed it. And by the way, please don't ever have anything untitled. Make sure you name it. Okay. Relink. I can't link. Go to link. This is going to have to be on your end. Unbed link to the original file. Okay. So it should show up on your computer. All right. So anyhow, fine. Right click it. Edit with Photoshop. Change it to CMYK. Pop it back in here. But you know what? Again, Tom's logo, dot, whatever it might be, okay? And pull that in. That's the long way to change colors, okay? We all have our days. All right, take care.